Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Ford Ranger stock number 594 This ran from the 12th 2006 to 09/2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre diesel 4-cylinder engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the WEAT 3 litre diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door 2 dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate with 3 dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 4 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.